Interesting story over here in my LinkedIn news feed. Looks like Anthropic is quietly making moves toward a blockbuster IPO. It's being reported by the Financial Times that Anthropic has hired lawyers to work on a planned IPO, which could come as soon as 2026, the Financial Times reports. They're citing anonymous sources, but it's kind of hard for them to hide it. And the Financial Times is really good about digging this kind of stuff up. Looks like the AI startup also chose a law firm that also handled other high-profile tech firms, including Google and Lyft. Anthropic's IPO could be one of the biggest ever, valuing the company at more than $300 billion. And I think the most important thing here is it looks like they're trying to beat rival OpenAI to the IPO punch. So OpenAI, there hasn't been any news released about this yet, but they were recently valued at 500 billion. And I mean, I'm sure they're working on their own listing. But if you look at the numbers on this, look at this post here from Saya. It's interesting here that man, yeah, it looks like it's going to be a big one for sure. I mean, the GDP of most nations is smaller than $300 billion. I mean, that's pretty amazing if they're preparing for an IPO that size with the targeted valuation exceeding that $300 billion market number. That's huge. I mean, the projected revenue for next year is 26 billion, customer base of 300,000 plus businesses, and then current backing from Microsoft and NVIDIA. They've committed $15 billion. I mean, the numbers here are really interesting. And this isn't happening in isolation. OpenAI is going to respond for sure, because I'm sure they're eyeing a IPO in 2026. And their potential valuation says here could be $1 trillion. I mean, it's definitely an AI gold rush here. And it is really, really interesting to see how this is going to work and how these companies are going to be able to meet these sky high projections and expectations. I mean, we're witnessing the largest tech bets in history, and the stakes have never been higher. So, yeah, I mean, it's going to be interesting for sure to see kind of how this goes and where these lead. But yeah, news today is that they're looking at getting an IPO set up at Anthropic in 2026. So, wow, follow along here, and yeah, I'll continue to drop some videos about this, and definitely go over to LinkedIn news and read. There's a lot of good posts here and some good reporting as well that I think is interesting. So go and check that out for sure. Thanks.